Welcome in Sofia today, the capital of Bulgaria, and the plan for today is to go to 7 Rila Lakes. In the winter, it's a beautiful skiing area, but right now it's a hiker's paradise in summer. And instead of a tour, I want to go there with the public transport, so let's see how that goes. Okay, so the first part is taking the tram, which is why I'm waiting just over here for the tram to pass by. I just know I need to take this tram number 4, but of the letters, I have no idea where it's stopping. My tram to take is arriving right now. But it's only the first step yet. There's a lot of different public transport I will have to take today. I just left the tram and going to the bus station now. So I made it to the bus station, but the bus station is quite empty. This blue locket over here is apparently where I need to buy my ticket, but the lady isn't here. She's supposed to be here, but she isn't. So they just told me, wait here. She will arrive. She went for some food or something, even though it's like 9:45. Finally managed to get a ticket. And going on the bus now, finally. The bus doesn't take you straight to the 7 Rila Lakes yet. It takes you to Dubnitska, from where I will have to find different transport to make it to the Rila Lakes. We just got dropped in Dubnitska, the next stop. And from here, I will need to find the bus to go to the actual place I need to go to. Well, not the actual one yet, but the closest I can get. I found the bus stop a little bit abandoned, and yeah, let's hope there's a bus coming soon. While waiting there for more than over an hour, while not knowing if any bus will come, finally, a bus came. So I just made it to the town of Sapareva. Just got dropped here and trying to find a taxi now that's affordable to make it to the start of the chairlifts. Hopefully that's not going to be too hard. Okay, this is bad news. There is no taxi right now. I need to wait at least half an hour because the only taxi in town already left. I'm already late, so I can't really wait extra half an hour, but not only that, it's very expensive. It's just 7 kilometers and he's asking 15 euros. And then if I have to go back as well, that would mean 30 euros in total. So that's just way too much. I mean, they know it's probably only tourists who do that, so they make the price very high. So let me just walk to the start of the route and see if I can hitchhike a car, because I'm not really willing to give that much for such a short ride. So in the end, we did find someone. Still wanted money, but at least for half the original price, 5 euros. So it's better than something. Okay, we finally made it to the chairlift. A little bit late, very late, way too late, but we made it. That's the most important thing. From here, let's take the chairlift up and go to the 7 lakes. The chairlift is the last little bit of taking you to the start of the hike of the 7 Rila Lakes. During winter, this chairlift is for the many skiers, and in summer, for the many hikers of the 7 Rila Lakes. This is literally still like a very old chairlift, ski lift, a very old ski lift it looks like. I am arriving at a top of around 2,000 meters of altitude, from which I will have to climb another 700 meters up to reach the first lakes. With 7 lakes in total, this will be a beautiful hike. Off we go on the start of the hike. It's already a little bit late, so most people are returning, but let's go. Yeah, I was so tired and I woke up a little bit too late, and then I lost so much time because of transport. Like, there was a bus that would have been perfect time, but I missed that one by literally a couple minutes. And then I had to wait an hour and a half for the next bus, so I lost so much time about that. So yeah, I will have to quite hurry on the walk. We're passing the first lake right now. Lake Dornoto is 0. At least that's how I think it is pronounced. And yeah, that way we go. So right now, I'm arriving at the second of the 7 Rila Lake. Ribiten is 0. Looks quite green actually. Looks like a lot of plants growing on the top of it. And we are around, I think, 2,300 meters of altitude right now. The lakes were really just following up on each other on a very short time. After the rest of this little hill, we will arrive to the third lake. So, fair to say around midway, I think. And this one seems to have a little dam over it. Let's have a more closer look. Yeah, it's not a big dam, but it's stopping the river from flowing too powerful. So it is a little dam of the third lake. So actually now, I had to backtrack sadly to the second lake again because I was that stupid to take the wrong turn. So yeah, hurrying myself, but for nothing. And I have to go around that more or less. Whew, I'm breathing quite hardly. Not only because of the altitude, but because I've been running parts of it because I have to be fast. Yeah, it's so beautiful, the views. It really looks like the Alpine mountains or, yeah, beautiful mountains. Whew, I made it to this top. To this top, yeah. It doesn't say how high it is, but it's high. I think around 2,500 meters or something. And there's another lake over there. And here, let's throw the pad. I think we go all the way to there, baby. All the way to there. Like, it's actually very cold, but usually I do good with the cold. At least when I'm hiking, because I'm still in my shirt. But I think it's only a couple degrees though. I just went past this mountain and we have some absolutely more stunning views over here of all the lakes. Really, really beautiful. And that's the point over there where I want to go to have a good view, I said so, of all the lakes. I think that's the highest point. Let's go, let's go. Woo! It's been difficult. Right now, to be honest with you guys, I completely lost the path. I don't really have an idea anymore where the path is, but I'm guessing if I just go straight up the mountain, it will work out. I was having a look from far, and it looks doable. Like, they're not very steep rocks you can't climb over and stuff. So that's just gonna be my plan. I haven't made it to the top yet, but I want to take a moment to share those views with you because, yeah, they are really awesome. They're really gorgeous. So we can only see 1, 2, 3, and a little bit of the fourth lake, but beautiful from here. We should be able to see the 7th views from over there, but that's still quite a long way and a little bit more of a climb. I made it to the top of this hill and also the highest point. Oh, at least just a little bit more to there, and then I think we're gonna have a 360 amazing, beautiful view. I've made it to the top of the hill. Just over there, just came down. And look at the view, it's amazing. Truly, truly amazing. And the map says that that is the viewpoint over there of the 7 lakes, but I think actually from here, you have a better viewpoint. It's also very, very beautiful. I don't think I'm gonna go to that viewpoint anymore. I'm just gonna follow this path over here because this is the highest point. So you see both sides all the time. You can see over there the lakes. Well, I have to go to the edge to see a little bit more better. And over here, the other side of the mountains. And over there down, you only see that one side. And I think from here, you even have a better view. So yeah, I prefer that. The landscape is so desolate. And then I'm thinking of still going to the viewpoint though. And there's not really a path over here. Well, there isn't. But looking from the views of it, I think I can do it. Like, it will be steep, but I think it's doable. Then I started my scramble down. Lost a little bit of rocks, and then I'll be back on the path again. Reaching the path again, I'm getting in between the cows, with the cow farmer being over there. I don't know if he's too happy with my presence though. He's definitely not happy with my presence. So I came down from there, and now I'm at the viewpoint. Let's go have a look at the viewpoint here. Of all the lakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the 7th is down there. We can't see the 7th, but yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Beautiful, the Rila Lakes. Having a quick snack now. I'll have to do it really quick, and then literally I'm gonna have to run down. Bye-bye, cows. Bye-bye, beautiful mountain cows. And their angry farmer. At least he's angry at the cows now, not at me anymore. He left his horse here. And, oh shit, all the cows are literally on the path again. He's probably gonna be angry again when I have to cross the cow. Now this situation sucks a little, especially since I need to hurry myself. Let me see if the cows at least are more friendlier. Which looks they are. I think the cows were a little bit scared of me, as they all went away very quickly when I had to pass. After I passed the cows, I passed this beautiful blue lagoon and decided I wanted to have a little feel of the water for myself. Just went for a little dip with the hands in the ice cold water. And it's ice cold, but not too cold. It's actually quite okay. Time to keep going again. Wow, another beautiful view of all the beautiful, awesome, beautiful mountains. I'm short of words in English. We're almost back. Watchers, we're almost back, people. The aerial is just over there, so I made it on time. I mean, I think I did pretty good. The time has come to take the aerial away, the cable car down, or the chairlift down. Okay, let me get my ticket out. Exactly, there goes my ticket. So yes, I made it on the aerial, the cable car. I don't know why they call it aerial way here. It's a chairlift. I made it on the chairway down. Then I'll hopefully can find transport back. I think it's too late for buses. So if I get all the transport in order and the bus is like 10 minutes late, which is usually hard over here, I can still make it on time. But the problem is that there is a big chance that I'll have to wait to find transport back to the town, just like I had to pay the taxi driver the €5. Well, let's hope somebody wants to stop for me directly, so I'm still on time for the bus. Otherwise, I might even have to lift all the way back to Sofia. So we'll see, we'll see. So I made it out now, and now, hopefully, let's find some transport soon. So, really, the second car already, they stopped. Very friendly people. They stopped for me and I got a ride back to the town of Sapareva Banya. Now let's try to find a bus. So that driver we just drove away, his name is Tverin. He's very friendly because I asked him, was the first person I asked, is there a bus to Nitska, the next place I need to go? And he's like, yeah, there's one, but in 10 minutes. And that's the last one. So he just jumped in his car and without me even asking, because I cannot speak Bulgarian, he doesn't speak anything else than Bulgarian. So just Google Translate, because even their alphabet is different. He jumped in his car and drove me to here at the bus station, where the bus should hopefully come in 10 minutes. Like, so friendly of him, so happy about that. As you can see, I made it to the last bus to Nitska. Yeah, it's not very fun. There's only one other person, the boy over there, and me. And yeah, it's not 6:10. It came here way earlier. It's maybe 2 or 3:06. So I literally was there 1 or 2 minutes and the bus came, so just on time, perfectly. So sadly, there were no more buses, so I got myself a train ticket. But the train is only going to be here in 1 hour and a half, and it takes 2 hours to reach Sofia, which is twice as long as the bus. So only being back in Sofia at 10 p.m. sadly. It looks like my train to Sofia finally arrived. So yeah, the last part is coming up. And yeah, that's gonna be the end of the vlog. I really hope you liked the vlog, you liked the adventure together with me. And if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and follow for more. Ciao!